How do you feel being part of this event as an endorser?
Alam mo, sobrang nakakatuwa. I mean, I love performing Reina. I love having that chance. And of course, it's so nice to finally be announced as the brand ambassador of OK Games. And they've been so welcoming. They've been so good, not just to me, but to my team and to everybody around them. Kaya it's just so nice to work with a company that aligns with me.
Michelle, paano nakakatulong yung OK sa mga advocacy mo as a Miss Universe former video?
Well, OK Games also has OK Cares, and they take their charity really seriously. Every time that there's a calamity, they make sure that they're in the front line, really doing the work. But also, I really appreciate the features that they have, that they're able to monitor screen time and playing time, which isn't available on a lot of platforms. So they really promote safe, responsible gaming, which I also align with. There's no harm having fun, as long as you know your limits and you know that you're just having fun.
So more than dun sa napa-oo ka sa endorser, at tuloy-tuloy lang kasi yung advocacy mo, no?
Of course, and they've been so vocal about supporting all of the things that I support as well, and that's something that I really appreciate. Again, I don't just sign with any company. I make sure that we have common interests and common advocacies, and that our interests are in the same place.
Michelle, mas active ka na ngayon sa fashion scene, no? How do you feel na parang iba na yung path ng career mo as from beauty queen, artist, ngayon fashion influencer ka na rin?
Well, technically, hindi naman siya different path because I wear very many hats and fashion has always been so deeply rooted in my identity. The fashion industry, they don't just welcome everyone. You really have to live it, breathe it, and for me, it was such a seamless transition because even with what I did with Miss Universe, I really tried to represent myself. I wasn't trying to conform with any previous woman. I wasn't trying to be in the shadow of my mom. I really own my identity, own my fashion sense, and I came home with that identity. Kaya I'm really grateful for all of the houses, all of the brands that work with me, and acknowledge that as well.
Recently, kung isa ka sa mga romanta sa Paris, di ba? Kamusta experience?
It's so fun. Paris, although very cold, it tastes good na in terms of a lot of my looks. It's so fun. It's so inspiring. Every time I go there, it's really one of those things that I come home and I just want to do better. I want to do more. I want to challenge my creativity. And Paris is really the heart of fashion, and I love that. You really have to be close to things that inspire you. And that's what Paris is to me. I am definitely new in the fashion scene as compared to people who have done it years and years and years. But I'm definitely having fun and enjoying the experience. And it's so nice to have that community there as well. Na nakikita-kita kami dun sa Paris.
And Michelle, grabe, ganda ng mga photos mo. At the same time, yung mga XOLs, yung photo with Guy. How did that come?
Sorry?
Yung photo mo with Guy, XOLs really...
That was during one of the shows, and it was a surreal experience, of course, to be within arm's length, shoulder to shoulder, kami with not just Guy, but also a lot of global celebrities that I was also fortunate enough to syempre, ayun, and it was so nice to be able to interact with everyone, of course, not just with the global influencers, but also with our local stars that were also there. It was such a pleasant experience, and it really just makes the world a lot smaller. And it was just a really nice experience to see your idols entire kind of